How to book a railway station lounge using the online official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can book a railway station lounge using the official IRCTC website. So instead of booking a lounge offline, you can advancedly book the lounge, and I will show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. Like I have opened it in Google Chrome, and then once you are inside your web browser, you need to search for irctc.co.in. So as here you can see, this is the address, which is irctc.co.in, and once you are inside this official IRCTC website, you can log in with your details or the IRCTC credentials, which are basically your username and password. So after you are in the IRCTC official website, you will see this home page, and in this home page, you need to click onto this holidays option. So once you will hover your cursor over to this holidays option, you will see this third option that says stays. So simply hover your cursor over to this option and a new menu will appear giving you two options. So the first one is a retiring room, whereas the second one is a lounge. So we will click onto this lounge option and it will open a new page. So in this new page, the first thing that you will need to do is simply select the station name. So click onto this drop down arrow and it will open all of the station names where this particular online launch booking facility is available. So you can choose any station from them and then you can select the lounges. So currently you can see that this particular station has the IRCTC Executive Lounge at platform number 1. So you can simply select it, and then you need to determine the number of persons that will be staying. Then you need to type in the check-in date and then also the time, and then you will need to type in the duration or the hours for that particular hours you will be booking this lounge. And apart from that, you will also get the timing of this particular lounge, that is 24/7. So after filling in all of these details, the check-in details and the duration in hours, you will see this price list that is right here for initial 1 hour, and this is per additional hour. So you can also check the availability, which says available. So simply click onto this book button and you need to log in with your IRCTC credentials again, or you can also choose the guest user login as well, and then you will need to make the payment and your launch will be successfully booked. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.